From your home page, in the top right-hand corner of your screen, you can see 4 buttons. Click the plus button. From there, you can choose between 3 options: create a board, create a team, and create a business team. Select the create a board option. A new window will appear. Here we give a title to our board in the appropriate box. We can also decide if we want to create and assign the board to a team. No team means that the board will remain private until you decide to change it. We can decide to change the state of our board to public with the drop-down menu just below. The last option is the background of our board. We can change it and choose various options on the right side of our board creation menu, and we'll see a small preview. Then when you're all set up, click the Create a Board button. This is your brand new board.